Higgsfield Sora 2, the AI that's about to change everything. I'm not just going to tell you about it, I'm going to show you how to turn your wildest ideas into stunning, unlimited videos, starting with your very first prompt. This isn't just another AI video tool. This is a revolution. OpenAI built the tech, and Higgsfield just made it accessible to the entire planet. Unlimited, uncensored, global. This is Higgsfield Sora 2. So who is this for? It's for you, not just for Hollywood studios with million-dollar budgets. It's for creators, marketers, YouTubers, small businesses, anyone with a story to tell. The benefits are insane. First, unlimited. No more credit limits. Create as much as you want. Second, uncensored. Full creative freedom. Push the boundaries of your imagination without roadblocks. And third, it's shockingly easy. If you can type your idea, you can create it. No technical skills needed. This is the power that was locked away, and now it's in your hands. How to use Higgsfield Sora 2 to create videos like this. Stick around because by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to generate unlimited, high-quality AI video. I'm going to show you how to turn your wildest ideas into stunning, unlimited videos, starting with your very first prompt. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Easy Tutorials AI. My name is Mavumbi, and if you're new here, this is the place where we demystify the world of artificial intelligence. In today's video, I will show you how you can finally get your hands on Higgsfield Sora 2.0 level AI video. I'll show you the exact steps to go from a blank page to your first viral video. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for all your love and support. Let's dive in. All right, creators, let's head over to Higgsfield Sora 2.0. I've made it super easy for you. Just click the link in the description below and it'll take you directly to the platform so you can start creating your own AI videos. Let's jump right in.
Okay, so this is going to be your dashboard. Once you click the link below, the link I give you in the description below, click that link and you get to this page. This is going to be your dashboard. This is Higgsfield Sora 2. So once you're here, now click here video. We're going to create a video. Click video and click create video. Once you click that, you're going to pop in this page. This is where we're going to create our video. If you look on this other side, your left side, you're going to see prompt. We need to put our prompt here for what you want to create. So in this purpose of this video, I already created a prompt with ChatGPT here. It's already given me a prompt. So I'm going to copy that prompt. Let me copy this prompt here. I'm going to copy that prompt here. Let me see here. I got 3 of them. I'm going to copy this one. Copy. I'm coming back here. I'm going to paste here. That's my prompt there. Now, when you come to mode, I'm coming to choose here. So here you can choose. I'm going to choose Sora 2 Pro. Okay. The quality is amazing. And here duration is you can have 4 second, 8 second, or 12 second. So in this one, I'm going to choose 12 second. I want you can see the video, how good they look. The video, they look very nice. Now here, resolution, you can choose here, this one, and here aspect ratio, we can choose 16:9. And this, by the way, this one, it can even be useful for TikTok, because now TikTok, they use this kind of size as well, apart from short. Okay, so once you finish here, everything is fine, you're happy with everything, click generate here. Right, so usually it can take up to 1 or 2 minutes to create our video. So let's give a few minutes, and the one is finished, I'll show you the result.
All right, creators, now this next one blew my mind. I wanted to see if Sora 2.0 could handle something big, something cinematic, like a real superhero movie trailer. So I gave it this prompt. A hero standing on a skyscraper in futuristic New York. Lightning, flying cars, everything. Let's see how Sora 2.0 turned my words into a full-blown action trailer. You ready? Let's watch it. Yo, that was insane! The reflections, the smoke, the lightning, it actually looks like a Hollywood trailer. I mean, look at that armor detail. The way the camera moves through the clouds, it feels real. And remember, this came straight from a single prompt. No actors, no crew, no studio, just AI. If Sora 2.0 can make superhero scenes like this, imagine what it can do for your short films or commercials. Honestly, this is next level creativity unlocked. What do you think? Should I try a full short film next? Drop a comment below. All right, creators, this next one is something totally different. I wanted to test if Sora 2.0 could handle beauty and emotion, not just action. So I gave it a skincare commercial prompt. You know, that soft, elegant, premium look you see in real product ads? Let's see how well Sora captures that clean aesthetic and smooth camera work. Here's how it turned out. Let's watch.
Let your skin breathe in pure light, hydration that glides, radiance that lasts. Powered by natural botanicals and moisture-locking silks, it melts in, leaving only glow.
Wow, look at that lighting! The skin glow, the slow-motion water droplets, it looks like something straight out of a luxury brand campaign. The colors are soft and elegant, and the product reveal at the end feels professional, like a real TV ad. And remember, this wasn't filmed in a studio. It's completely AI generated. Sora 2.0 handled the lighting, reflections, camera movement, everything perfectly. This just shows how far we can push AI for creative and commercial work. What do you think? Should I try a perfume ad next, or maybe a travel commercial? Drop your ideas below. Okay, creators, now this one is special. I wanted to see if Sora 2.0 could capture not just action or beauty, but emotion and storytelling. So I created a short 3D animated film called Keto and the Sky Lantern. It's about a young African boy whose dream takes him on a magical journey through the stars. Let's see how Sora brings this heartwarming story to life. Here we go.
Hello there, friend.
You can talk?
And I can show you the stars.
Wow!
Hold on tight.
This is amazing!
Wow, that was beautiful. The lighting, the sky, the way the lantern came to life, it felt like watching a real Pixar short. The emotion in Kito's face, the movement, the glowing stars, everything looked so natural and alive. What blows my mind is that this entire scene came from just one prompt. No camera, no crew, no 3D animation team, just AI creativity. Sora 2.0 captured the culture, the warmth, and the magic perfectly. And honestly, seeing African stories told in this cinematic way, that's powerful. What do you think? Should I turn this into a full short film? Drop your thoughts below. And there you go. Now you see how powerful Higgsfield Sora 2.0 really is. From one simple prompt, you can create full cinematic scenes, commercials, or even short films, all powered by AI. If you want to try it out for yourself, the link is right below in the description, so go ahead and start creating your own videos today. And if you want to learn more, join my WhatsApp group. We share tools, prompts, and behind-the-scenes tips every week. Plus, don't forget to visit my Gumroad store for all the AI courses, prompts, and tutorials I've put together to help you level up your creativity. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments what kind of AI video I should make next. Thanks for watching, keep creating, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!